Sending money across borders has never been easier with Ria Money Transfer to India, offering fast, secure, and affordable options for everyone. To start, simply download the Ria Money Transfer app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, click on Sign Up, and enter your name, email address, phone number, and set a secure password. Verify your identity with a government-issued ID for a hassle-free experience. That's it, your Ria account is ready. Wondering how to send money with Ria Money Transfer? Log into the app, select Send Money, choose India as the destination, enter the amount, pick a delivery method, bank deposit, cash pickup. Add recipient details, and pay using your debit card, credit card, or bank account. It's that simple. How to use Ria Money Transfer app effectively. Always check the live Ria Money India rate displayed before confirming your transaction. Rates are dynamic and usually very competitive compared to traditional banks. There are no hidden fees. Ria offers transparent pricing, but remember that payment mode can impact fees. Card payments may have slightly higher charges than bank transfers. Thinking how to send money using Ria Money Transfer in the easiest way? Bank deposit is recommended. Funds are usually credited within minutes if you use a debit card, while bank account transfers may take up to 2 business days. Now, let's talk about Ria Money Transfer offers. New users can apply promo code RIAFIRST10 to get a $10 discount on their first transfer. Frequent users should also watch out for seasonal promotions like Festive 50 during holidays, which can offer fee waivers or bonus credits. To track your transfer, go to the app's dashboard, click Track Transfer, and input your PIN or order number. You will get real-time updates about the transaction status, making it very convenient to stay informed. Always double-check recipient details to avoid delays. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Larger amounts may require additional verification for compliance. Compare Ria rates frequently to get the best value for your money. Save your transaction PIN and order number safely.